Josie here from Live at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here in my channel. I just want to give you a little bit of an update in our kitchen. A few projects in my kitchen. I want to show you the pantry and how it's been doing so far. I have a minor update on that. I added a couple of things or switched a couple of things, but for the most part, a lot of the things we did in the pantry is still the same. I'm also going to show you that I'm still using the tea dispenser, the organizer, and this has worked great for us, this coffee or hot drink station. Also, I put in that backsplash, and if you haven't seen the backsplash DIY, also the tea dispenser, kind of shared that with you too. I'm going to be linking them up here as well. And then also my pantry organization. So let me just show you the pantry for now. Oh, by the way, that's the one, that's my most recent DIY. Decided to take this out of the cabinet door because I figured it looks so pretty anyway. I replaced the decor there. We used to have this, I don't know, you used to have this chef there. Because pretty much our kitchen had the chef theme, but I'm trying to do a little bit more retro / farmhouse style in here. The retro is echoed by the tea dispenser as well as the backsplash that I used. And giving you an update, I think it's almost a month now since I installed the backsplash and it's still doing great. I did mention there that I was gonna buy something from Amazon to use as molding. When I got those, and that's the reason why there's a little bit of kind of rip here, I tried, but it didn't really look great. I tested it in this corner here. My daughter didn't like it either, so, you know, I listen to her input sometimes. Sometimes, okay? she's laughing because she's studying at our kitchen desk.
Don't show me I'm ugly.
Don't show me I'm ugly. That's what she says. See, I listen to her, so I'm not going to show her to you. But anyway, so I'm still thinking, but if you go to the website of Tic Tac Tile's website, the projects there that they shared the photos of, I think, some users, you know, those customers, and also their own videos and projects. There were no moldings that they used. They just leave them flat, even the applications in the bathroom. So far, you know, I think it's gonna be okay. Now, if you're wondering how it's holding up, so far so good. There are times that I need to press some areas, especially this one here. It's not that they're peeling off, but because I have a textured wall, and in the instruction, actually, the product itself, they mentioned that you need a flat, smooth surface. And as you can see here, my kitchen wall is not flat and it's not smooth. Okay, so it's rough. You know, this is the thing that they do now with those builder homes. They give them some texture and then they paint them. So this is why I had to sand it a little bit. I probably should have sanded it a little bit more. I only sanded it lightly so that the roughness will be a little bit diminished. And that's the backsplash, and I need to clean it a little bit, but I'll show you also. I've been only using, you don't need to, I haven't sprayed or used any chemicals on it. I don't know if it's gonna work, but they did say a damp cloth should work, and it has been great so far. So I just want to give you a little bit of you know, how it looks like here. Still looking good. Yeah, and then let me just show you a little bit on the top here. That's when, because heat can steam it up a little bit, so there's a little bit of loose here, but all I do is press here once a week. That's it, just to keep it close. But that's the reason why I want to also suggest that probably if you put a little adhesive there, just dab a little bit there and then just keep it close. The concern that I have, this one, I do intend to replace this portion here. There's a small portion here because, again, like I tried or tested that corner thing and then it kind of put a mark here. It kind of ruined something there. That's my fault, but I have a lot of extras anyway. So let's go to my pantry. So far, my pantry is doing well. I did replace this with this Dollar Tree. They were just standing up before. and I have I use the Dollar Tree can organizers or dispenser, and I put here, this one is from Ross. It's a shirt organizer for a closet, so I just put there the smaller canned goods, and these ones are the standard size that can roll out of that Dollar Tree container. And yeah, I think so far our pantry is still very functional. After I did it, I already said that it's not Pinterest perfect, but it's functional. I don't want it to be something that it only looks good. I want that my family will be able to find things, and so far so good. I did use some containers where I have to, but for the most part everything is visible. They can see them. And also what helps is that I have created this label and I laminated them. I printed them. I think I used font Lucida. Breakfast is here, and you know, items. However, the zoning I mentioned on my video, but this time I added the label. Here are the serving supplies. Here are the packaging and storage. Okay, they're still there. And then the snacks and desserts, the jarred and canned goods. And there's the noodles and grains. And here are the herbs, spices, and seasonings. And then the beverages are here. This is where the baking supplies will be. Okay. I'm going to be gluing that. And then those are the appliances and accessories. My daughter's boyfriend gifted me this pressure cooker by KitchenAid, and that's what is in this roller cart right now. That's the one that I used, you know, and it's still, we're still able to freely walk in and out. That's what I'm trying to avoid, something on the floor, this canned Canada Dry you know, canned drinks. But because I kind of used that portion there that's supposed to be for the drinks, I used a couple because I had so much more flour, because this flour, or I'm sorry, sugar, because my husband bought a big bag of sugar, not the regular size, so that's why we have a little bit of overflow, so I put it there. And that's why when they purchase this, it has to stay here. But so far, but for the most part, everything is functioning well, you know, as it is supposed to. So even our organization for our to-go boxes, and these are our breads and tortillas. So I'm glad it's working out. A couple of months, I think, since I cleaned it up. And a month after I installed this, which is our tea dispenser. As you can see, we need to replenish some of them. This one's run out already. So yeah, and then again, like I said, the backsplash still working okay. I did clean the top of this microwave. There's another update here, and what I've been doing at the end of the day, what I do at the end of the day is I just wipe it clean to kind of slow down the deposit creation. But I will not wait 6 years anymore to clean it up. I'll probably clean it every couple of months or once every 3 months. I think that will be enough. And I am so happy that I inspired others to do it as well, and they've been giving me feedbacks on their comments that they've done it, and they're happy that they did. So yeah, so what I'm going to be doing is showing you also what I'm trying to do here is I do have a video of how I organize this. I'm going to be uploading more cooking videos, and in the weeks or days or weeks to come, that's the reason why I'm doing a little bit of intro here with the kitchen update. I'm gonna be clearing this up, and that's why I want to keep all of these things here so that when I'm cooking, it'll be at arm's length. So that's my quick update for you all, as promised, and thanks for joining me here in my channel. Please click subscribe, like, and comment down below. Have a great day, everybody. Talk to you on my next video. Bye bye.